meet Tatiana here.
Meet Talia here, sir. Okay.
Tatiana Forever channel. The bottle kind of messed up. We did a channel on her video right now. We're doing
really
the
on my
handcuffed slime.
Really my channel, because I think it's going to be on my channel.
Yeah, just get the. We're gonna be doing the handcuffed slime challenge. I don't know if we're gonna be adding lotion or not.
And we have to use the hand that we're handcuffed with.
Yeah. So let's just add the glue. You add the glue because I don't know how much we should put in. It says number 12 on it because we're doing a Alexa versus Siri challenge the other day, or was it yesterday or something like that? Yeah, it was yesterday.
Why are you doing that, Jerica?
Because it's in my face and I like it.
You can't use that hand.
Well, because
Don't use that.
my
Yeah,
hair.
This hand.
I know, but my hair is in the way. I need to do it both sides. Okay, that's enough. Okay, wait, should we add any food coloring or something? Yeah, let's make Valentine's Day. Oh. Ouch. I'm adding that. I'm adding it. To make it light. Wait. Oh, wait.
Yeah. Okay, get a different color. Let's put all the colors in.
Yeah, it's not going to be Valentine's slime.
Oh, you already have like 2 Valentine's slimes.
Stop! You're hurting me. I don't know the other colors. I'm so sorry. You're giving me these 2.
No, but get this. Oh, ouch.
You'll be back, you guys. Or it. Oh, here they are.
Really, Todd? That's not funny.
Get out.
Go this way. This way. Go. 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 Ouch. 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 Ouch.
Okay, I'll add in this pink.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, we already added red, so now to add. Like all these pens have numbers on it. Okay, this has barely any in it, so let's take off this lid. Okay, forget about that one.
What color do you think it's gonna turn? I think it's gonna turn. I don't know. Green. I don't know.
I think pretty color because these are all pretty.
Like a red velvet. I don't know.
My
I have
paint's
no
almost
guess.
empty. How empty?
Okay. Let's add.
You already add them. Just add in that one because
I need more coloring.
food coloring. Add in that one. Really? Now mix it.
Stop. Wait. I want to mix it.
Wait, I mixed a little bit and you mix some. Okay, this is definitely turning blue.
Ew. I knew it was going to turn blue or something. Every time I mix something, it's turning
Okay, I want to mix.
Oh,
Wait,
guys,
let's
it's
add
not
lotion. You
pink
keep mixing.
color.
Let's use 2. That should be good. Let's add that lotion too.
Sorry, guys. I want water. Is that water or activated? Water.
That's good. Okay, now I want to mix it. No, I want to add the activated. We add a little bit at a time. I don't want it to get so sticky.
Really, that makes no sense.
Let's mix with their hands.
Oh no.
then I'm going to add the activator when I think we need more. Okay, we do need more now. Watch out.
Stop.
The handcuffs are too small on me.
Wait, only the hand.
Yeah, but I'm making it smaller.
Stop. Put it back in the bowl.
I'm mixing it. We need an activator. Watch out.
5 minutes already, dude.
I don't think we should add any more activator because it's kind of not good. Here's a weird slime right now. I think we should add more water. Make it a little more stretchy.
Go check out my TikTok, TALIA_ASH.
Well, sometimes you don't have to
AUNTIE.
do that. You can just put Talia. Put that so we can add more water.
TALIA. Only if you're following me.
I'm gonna mix it. You guys think we should add more water? Yeah? Let's add more lotion. Let's add more lotion. Ow.
Where's the other?
No, I'm gonna mix it.
Bye.
They don't have any lotion left.
Are we gonna split or just share? Sharing is caring, but splitting is daring. What? Oh, it's hot. Your shirt that says your name on it.
Oh, okay.
No. What was I doing?
Let's add more water. Add more water.
I don't want a jiggly side.
Why? It would be stretchier.
I need glossy slime.
Yeah, you too.
I want me cloud slime. Yeah.
What? Still. Oh, we're not really looking at you guys. So here's the slime. It's not really. It's purple. You add all these colors and made purple. And it's a very tiny slime.
It doesn't poke that much because it's really tiny. Wait, put it together.
Now let's see if it pokes.
Like, when it's little, it doesn't poke that good. Okay, so that was it for today's video.
And let's see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye!